and today we are learning how to play football. And even though I hate it. So first,
even though you hate it.
Yes, I hate it. I'll be right there. So first, this is my mommy. Mommy, say hello.
Hi, guys.
She won't be that much in videos, but we'll see her a lot. So today I'm playing football. So mommy is gonna be, I'm gonna be the quarterback, and she's gonna be the person that wins the ball. So mommy, get ready.
Okay.
And then we're gonna run some sit-ups.
Okay, like this.
Then you throw it. If you miss it, that's fine. And then next one, I'll have you do next. This one's gonna be easier after this.
Ready? Are you prepared? There we go.
We just need 3, and then I'll let you do the easy one. And now I'm going to teach you how to race. You have to be fast in order to be a football player. So my mom has to be faster than some people because people are super fast, and there's only one kid that is from my school. Belshaw, and I don't know what his name is, but I just know he's carrying a big gun. Now she's gonna run from here to there, and then I'll have her go first. Then she's gonna keep going until she makes it to there. Okay? So touch this.
That's not what I'm doing.
You're not in a race because you need to be fast.
Okay.
So first, you need a timer.
You need no timer. Come on, let's go.
Ready, steady,